Triple action candles are those candles which are made with 3 colors. Typically you find them striped in either red, white, and green, or red, white, and blue. The red, white, green candles are used for success, prosperity, and luck. The red, white, blue candles are used for returning lovers and for protection and legal work. Some people like to burn these candles in sections, burning through one color on the candle with each day of the spell work. Personally, I feel this defeats the point of using a triple action candle. If you will only burn through one color each day, I figure you might as well just burn 3 small single color candles. And so I like to burn these 3 color candles all in one go. To use a triple action candle, you can burn them plain or choose an appropriate dressing oil or a mixture of several oils for your magical purpose. Since these are candles used to attract positive influences, they should be dressed upward or else in the half up, half down style as instructed in Gamash's candle burning book. Candles are typically inscribed using a small sharp object like a pin with your intention, or else set over a piece of paper on which you've written your desire. If your goal is to compel love from a certain person, it's typical to write just the names of the couple to be. Triple action candles for love. They can be used for love spells to return your lost lover. Here's an old method. Write the petitioner's name straight 3 times and the target's name 3 times under it on a plate. Set the triple action candle on the plate and sprinkle around it sugar, raisins, and steel dust. Do this repeatedly at 9 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and 6 o'clock. Blue used to be a favorite color for love spells, and red we all recognize as another hue for love. White is a neutral color, but usually used to represent blessings and purity. In addition to triple action candles, there can be other conjure items crafted to be triple action. Some suppliers sell triple action incense, which consists of their usual incense formula made into an appropriate tricolor mixture. This can also be done with powders and mojo/gree bags. This is not necessarily deceptive, even if some might think it sounds too simple. The addition of colored items into hoodoo spells purely for the addition of color is very old practice. Some of the oldest hoodoo spells contain items like red rags or blue beads that existed for their color signification alone. Below is a photograph of a triple action love incense which I prepared at home. Behold the photo in the blog post. The end.